So you're planning to start a YouTube channel just with your iPhone and you're looking out for that perfect microphone to pair with your iPhone, then you're in the right place. Coming up for you in this video is not one but 3 microphones that I've shortlisted for you to pair with your iPhone, and 2 of them are specifically made for iPhone and iOS devices. Hey everyone, Saj here. Welcome to my channel where you'll find tips to help you create awesome content and entrepreneurship. Starting a YouTube channel could be a daunting process, especially when you're surrounded with so many options and accessories to choose from, which cameras to start with, the lighting, the microphone. So today I would like to review 3 different microphones to pair with your iPhone. The first one is a Boya Level Mic. The second one is the MV88 Plus, and the last one is the Shure MV5. So the first one I'm going to be reviewing is the Shure MV5. So this is exactly the same model that I used to record my YouTube videos. So let's go through the features for this particular model. The first thing I'll actually love about this model is that you get 2 cables. One connects directly to your iPhone, so it comes with a lightning port. So the other one comes with the USB cable, so you can connect it directly to your PC or Mac. The advantage of this is, like, if you're creating YouTube videos where you will be doing a on-screen video tutorials and stuff like that, then this comes in very handy because you can use the same mic for both the purposes, so you don't need a separate mic for that. Apart from that, it also comes with a LED indicator which shows that it's working fine, because I'm sure you would have come across with a lot of YouTubers or content creators who would say that they started recording and only after they have completed the recording realize that the microphone was not working, etc. So this also allows you to make sure that your microphone is working when you hit that record button. Also, it comes with a headphone jack as well, which means that you could listen while you're recording as well. It also comes with this stand, so it makes it really easier to put it on your desk, so you don't need any additional accessories to use with it. One thing I would like to point out though is the original cable that comes with it. It's quite small. It's roughly about 1 meter. So for example, just like the way I'm sitting right now, it's actually quite short for that. So you could buy a third-party accessory where you can extend the lightning cable for about 3 meters. This one costs about $15. A lot of brands selling similar cables. I'll put the link in the description. Now the Shure MV5 costs roughly about $69.99 in UK, so that's about $90 to $100 in US. Price is kind of like a mid-range. Based on the sound quality that you get, because it's a condenser mic, it kind of comes up. You get a sound which is like quite deep and clear as well. Let's just do a quick test so you can see how it compares to the original microphone that comes on your iPhone. So what you're hearing right now is directly from the iPhone's built-in microphone, and you'll probably notice that there's a lot of echo around when you use the inbuilt microphone. Now let's change that and see how it sounds when you connect to the Shure mic. Right, so now what you're hearing from is the Shure MV5, and how you can actually see the difference, the depth of the sound, how clear is it, there's no disturbance or echo sound when you try to record this. I would really appreciate if you comment down below if you found that there was a big difference in the quality of the sound. Now let's check the second one, which is the MV88 Plus. The second one is the MV88 Plus, which is again from Shure. Now this one comes with a tripod as well, so if you're planning to do vlogs, then this can come in handy because you wouldn't need any additional accessories. It comes with a phone holder as well, so you don't need any kind of phone rig. All the accessories and the microphone come in this lovely pouch. It is kind of made for especially not only for someone who does YouTube videos at home, but also who's on a move and requires, like, for vlogging. So it has slightly more accessories compared to the Shure MV5 that we just saw. So here we go, guys. This is the setup of the MV88 Plus. As you can see, it's more sort of like a shotgun mic. Comes with this tripod, which you can actually use it just like as a selfie stick as well, and it will allow you to do vlogs. And it has a phone holder as well, fit any kind of iOS devices to that. Again, just like MV5, it has a connection for the audio port as well, so you can connect your headphones while you're recording, so you can monitor how exactly your audio levels are coming out. It is a condenser mic, so you will get that deep sound that I talked about in the previous model as well. So let's just do a quick test, compare the iPhone's built-in microphone versus the MV88. So at the moment you're listening to the quality of the built-in microphone on an iPhone, and what you hear next is going to be from the Shure MV88 Plus. Alright, so this is MV88 Plus. I hope you can actually hear the difference in the sound. It is a condenser microphone, as I mentioned earlier. The sound is going to be deeper. Again, just like the MV5, this has a short cable, but you can use an extension lightning cable, and I'll link that in the description as well. Would appreciate some comments from you below. How did you find the MV88 Plus compared to the built-in microphone? The last one I'm reviewing today is called a Boya Level Mic. This is probably the most affordable mic that you could actually get started with, and this will work even with the Android devices as well. So it's because it's regular TRRS connection. The beauty about this mic is the quality of the mic is really high. This is probably the most affordable level mic. This one costs about $30 in US and about roughly about 18 to 20 pounds in UK, depending on the time you buy. The price keeps fluctuating all the time. However, if you want to use this with your iPhone, you would need to buy a connector like that, which converts it from a regular connection to a lightning port, and you can buy that easily on Amazon as well. I'll put the link in the description. It also comes with this small pouch bag, so it's easier for you to carry around in your laptop bag, so you don't miss out any accessories. You will need a level mic if you're planning to do videos where you're going to be standing away from the phone. It's more sort of like a clip-on mic, so you can actually clip it like that and it stays more closer to you. That means you'll have a little bit better sound, especially when you're away from the phone. Let's actually compare this with the built-in microphone once again. Alright, so that's the last test of the day. You're currently listening is once again directly from the Apple's built-in microphone. Let's connect the Boya mic. Alright guys, so you're listening from the Boya mic now. I hope once again you can make out the difference between the original built-in microphone versus an external microphone. And this is not the only Level mic that I've actually tried. I've tried few Rode and other ones as well, but for the price range, this one came out as a winner for me. That's why I'm only testing this one in this particular video. Another thing to note, it actually comes with this switch. So if you're using this along with the camera, so it allows you to choose whether you're using this with a phone. So these were the 3 headphones that I had shortlisted to use with an iPhone. These are the 3 microphones that I personally would recommend anyone starting with an iPhone. And out of 3, my personal favorite would be the MV5. All I would suggest is you get that additional extension cable, so it gives you the flexibility to stay away from the camera, stay a little bit further from the camera. So I hope you found some value in this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. That's all for this particular video, and I hope to see you in the next one.